Let's make it giant Orbeez water park. Welcome back to the Let's Make It channel. Today we'll be making a humongous Orbeez water park. Our supplies today is a big bowl and some Orbeez. First off, I dump your Orbeez inside to your bowl. These are giant Orbeez, extra large. Now let's pour them in. Did you see that? They're super squishy. Orbeez are my favorite to feel. I love it. To make these Orbeez giant, you need to use a lot of water. Wait, did you see my video of the Orbeez when I put it in a balloon? Great! Mommy, can you please give me some water? Thank you. Is it hot water? Good. Thank you. I think we need a little more water. The package says they are giant Orbeez. How large do you think they'll get? I think they'll get humongous. Mommy, can I please have the rest of my water? The Orbeez are getting larger. They're also feeling softer and squishier. They feel good, and when you put them on your hand, they kind of show up when they kind of dissolve onto your hand and squish. Well, let them grow overnight. Let them sit overnight so they can grow. We'll check on these tomorrow, but let's play. I wanted to sneak so I could see what they look like and feel them. They feel like brains. Yucky. I'm gonna go get my toys to play with. Should I? Uh-oh, one of my brains fell down. Oh, they're so fun. I need to play with these real little. Wow. They feel really good. I was just too excited to sleep. I just needed to tiptoe out of here. Out of my bedroom and into the dining room to play with it. Good morning, I'm back. Look at these Orbeez. They're so big. They got so big overnight, but I just want to tell you, it feels like slime, but better than that. Can't you even go in? Oh, you can't even see her. Oh, look at her. Look how yucky she is. Come closer so you can see how big our Orbeez got. Let's smush them up and break them. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to the Let's Make It channel. And give me a thumbs up. The subscribe button is down below. Yeah, it's so yucky. Yeah. one, Mommy. Drooling everywhere. Let's see if they're bouncy. Let's see if they're super bouncy. Bounce. Bounce. It's so fun to have you here playing with me with these beautiful Orbeez. Should we play with them again and get them everywhere? Look at my whole house. So yucky. When you smush them up into little pieces, they feel really yucky. They feel like smush. They feel like snow when you smush them up. Yeah, let's smush them. Smush. When you smush them, they explode everywhere. They look like this. They look like this little ball, and then look what happens. See? They just break. It's really fun and awesome. And I know they could be better than that because they're Orbeez. We're also going to do a giant Orbeez explode video, so don't miss that video. Yeah. Put a link down below to the explosion Orbeez video. It's the Orbeez explosion video coming up soon, and it's gonna be Guess that Orbeez? 2 Orbeez. Another one. More everywhere. We smushed them together and made them like rainbow snow. Look, I found some snow. I found a snowball. I hope you like our video. Hit like and subscribe to the Let's Make It channel. Bye! Thanks for playing with giant Orbeez with me. Bye!